If you need Microsoft 365, but you don't have a subscription, this video is for you. You can access Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and other Microsoft tools without installing the desktop versions. Let's dive in. First, open any web browser on your computer. Now, in the address bar on the top, type office.com. Press Enter. Now, click Sign in and log in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create one for free. Now, on the top, you will find Apps and More. Click on it. Choose the app that you want from the list. Here, we will choose Excel. Click on Blank Workbook to start a new project. You can also switch another app from the previous page in the apps list. And that's it.